Welcome to Ria'sbeauty channel, the only channel that helps you to experience true beauty with affordable hair tutorials, trending fashion and makeup tutorials. So what I'm going to be doing today is black makeup. I'm going to be trying black makeup to see how I look. So the first thing I did is to apply my foundation and I dab it with my foam, and then right now I'll not be drawing my eyebrows. I'll just be using this toothbrush to arrange my brows. You can apply gel if you want, and then I'll be using an eye pencil to apply in my eyelids like the way you're seeing. I'll be applying it very thick. Since it's a black makeup, I'll be using only the eye pencil, or you can use your black eyeshadow. If you don't have a black eye pencil, you can use your black eyeshadow if you like. And then the next thing I'll be doing is to be using my lip liner, black lip liner. So I'm working with only black color today, so I'll be using my lip liner to line my lip the way I am doing. So this is what this is the black makeup. I'm going to be trying it out today to see how I look in the black makeup, and then I'll be styling my hair. This hair is the hair I made. So I've posted the video of how I made this hair myself. Yes, I made this hair myself. It's a dreadlock, and I used Brazilian wool and thread to make this hair myself. So you can check out that video in my channel. If you subscribe to my channel, you can check out the video on my channel of how I made this hair myself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that this channel helps you to experience true beauty